have my superfood. This. I'm gonna put this to soak in some water so I can make. Woo! This is lightning and thunder. It's clashing. Oh my god. We are just going to prep my stuff. Now I'm putting my superfood to soak in this so I can make a porridge for later on. Enough water. This is it. I just let it sit overnight. Tomorrow morning I'll make me a nice hot porridge with it. Remember when I put this to soak this morning, my superfood, and I'm getting ready to go prepare it. But I need some milk, so we are going around the kitchen to my pantry. That's what my pantry looks like. See, I have another milk right here. Then I have another one up here. I have mostly granola. Granola. I love tea, as I told you. Crystallite, not that. I have my Nature Valley. Granola. Vitamin C. My granola. Cream of wheat. Canned beans. Spaghetti sauce. Whole wheat pasta, all my beans, because I like to prepare them and make salads with them. This is my Quaker oats, my vinegar. So have another cream of it right there hiding until I'm ready. And these are my granola. And then this one. Okay, that's my pantry. Now I get the milk and we are going to make this. Stove is on. And then that's my superfood. You can use it in a smoothie or you can make it into a hot porridge. I like to make it into a hot porridge sometimes. And then when it's ready, I save it, and when I'm ready to eat it, when it's cool, I put it in the fridge, and when I'm ready to eat, then I mix the granola in it. I put a little bit of granola, a little bit of protein powder, and I eat it as I go. But that's what it is. This is what it looks like in the pot. So I'll wait until it boils, and then I'll let it cool. And whenever I'm ready to have some, I just scoop up some, put a little protein powder, put a little bit of granola, and I'm good to go. This is what it looks like all done as a porridge. You see it's still boiling. The stove is off, but still, the heat is still there. So then I take it and I put it in another container as it cools off, which is this one. And I put it right here to cool. It thickens up as it gets cooler, but don't forget it has flaxseed in there. Got everything. And this is my porridge. When it cools, or later on if I want some, I scoop it up and I mix my protein powder and my granola, and I have a full protein meal. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe. See you in another video. Bye.